Have you ever pondered the existence of a Yeti-Bigfoot hybrid, an entity that could be lurking in the inaccessible terrains of the northern parts of Alaska? Welcome to an exploration of the enigmatic, the puzzling, the downright perplexing world of cryptids. Today, we're delving into the concept of a Yeti-Bigfoot hybrid. Yes, you heard it right. Imagine a creature that embodies the mysterious attributes of both the Yeti, the abominable snowman of the Himalayas, and Bigfoot, the elusive giant of North American folklore. A beast that combines the strength, the stature, and the snowy fur of the Yeti with the stealth, the footprint, and the forest-dwelling nature of Bigfoot. This intriguing notion isn't a figment of some wild fantasy. There have been whispers, tales whispered in hushed tones, and sightings reported with trembling hands, all pointing towards the existence of such a creature. And the location of these accounts? The vast, untamed, and chillingly beautiful northern parts of Alaska. The terrain there is rugged, teeming with dense forests that give way to icy mountains, environments that both the Yeti and Bigfoot are said to inhabit. It's a place where nature reigns supreme, where humans are mere visitors, and where perhaps this Yeti-Bigfoot hybrid could thrive. A creature of such formidable size and strength could easily navigate the challenging landscape, finding shelter in the forests and sustenance in the abundant wildlife. So what brings us to this hypothesis? Why Alaska, and why a hybrid of two cryptids that originate from two different continents? These are the questions that we aim to explore, to dissect, and to understand. Could this chilling territory be home to such a formidable creature? Let's delve into the accounts and evidence that suggest its existence. Over the years, numerous individuals have claimed encounters with this elusive creature. Take, for instance, the account of a seasoned hunter named James, dating back to the frosty winter of 1992. Deep within the Alaskan wilderness, he reported a sighting of a creature of extraordinary size. With the stature of a grizzly bear but walking upright, it left footprints that, to James's trained eye, seemed like a fusion of Yeti and Bigfoot. Fast forward a decade to 2002. A group of hikers in the Denali National Park stumbled upon an entity that left them shivering, and it wasn't just the Alaskan chill. The creature they saw was covered in thick, matted fur, with a gait that suggested a bipedal creature. Its eyes, they claimed, held an almost human-like intelligence. Could this have been the elusive Yeti-Bigfoot hybrid? In 2013, a local woman named Emily recounted a chilling episode. Living on the outskirts of Fairbanks, she reported an unusual incident. One winter night, a creature of monstrous proportions, bearing a striking resemblance to both Yeti and Bigfoot, approached her homestead. It seemed to exude an aura of raw power, causing a sense of dread that Emily admits still haunts her to this day. And who could forget the dramatic account from a team of geologists in 2017? While conducting field studies near the Arctic Circle, they reported an encounter with a creature that was larger than any bear and walked like a man. The team, experienced in the wilderness, was left perplexed by this sighting, convinced that they had witnessed the mythical Yeti-Bigfoot hybrid firsthand. Each of these accounts, though separated by years and miles, shares a common thread: a creature of immense size, walking on two legs, and possessing a blend of characteristics typically attributed to both Yeti and Bigfoot. The consistency in these descriptions paints a vivid picture, compelling us to ask, what if there's truth to these accounts? What if there exists, in the vast unexplored wilderness of northern Alaska, a creature that is a hybrid of these two legendary beings? A creature that embodies the ferocity of Bigfoot and the mystery of the Yeti. These testimonies, though varied, all describe an entity that seems to be a blend of the Yeti and Bigfoot, a creature of immense size and power. Beyond anecdotal accounts, there have been physical traces that suggest the existence of the Yeti-Bigfoot hybrid. Let's delve into some of these intriguing pieces of evidence that have been uncovered over the years. First and foremost, we can't discuss the evidence without mentioning the footprints. Numerous hikers, explorers, and even locals from remote Alaskan villages have reported finding unusually large and unidentifiable footprints in the wilderness. These footprints, often measuring over 20 inches in length and 8 inches in width, have been found in areas far away from human habitation. The sheer size and unique shape of these prints, with an uncanny resemblance to a mix of human and primate feet, have led many to believe they belong to the elusive Yeti-Bigfoot hybrid. Next, we have hair samples. These are perhaps the most tangible pieces of evidence and have been subject to extensive scientific analysis. Long, coarse, and often an unusual shade of reddish-brown, these hair samples don't seem to match any known animal species in North America. DNA tests have been conducted on these samples, yet they've yielded inconclusive results. The DNA sequences obtained don't match any existing database of known creatures, further deepening the mystery. Then, there are the sounds. Unidentifiable, eerie, and often bone-chilling, these sounds have been recorded in the dead of night in the remote Alaskan wilderness. They don't resemble the calls or cries of any known animal species in the region. Some describe the sounds as a blend of a deep growl and a high-pitched scream, unlike anything they've ever heard. But what about scientific analysis, you ask? Well, it's been a mixed bag. While many experts dismiss these pieces of evidence as hoaxes or misidentifications, others are not so quick to write off the possibility of an unknown creature. Scientists have been unable to definitively identify the source of the hair samples or DNA, suggesting that they might belong to an animal not yet cataloged by modern science. The footprints, too, have been scrutinized, with some experts claiming that they exhibit characteristics not typical of human or known primate footprints. While intriguing, this evidence has yet to provide definitive proof. However, it continues to fuel the debate about the existence of the Yeti-Bigfoot hybrid. The mystery remains, but the search for answers continues. Who knows what secrets the vast, unexplored wilderness of Alaska still holds? The existence of a Yeti-Bigfoot hybrid has spurred a multitude of theories, each more fascinating than the last. As we delve into the world of the unknown, it's important to remember that these theories are as varied as they are intriguing, ranging from the plausible to the downright outlandish. One of the most widely accepted theories within certain circles is based on evolutionary biology. Proponents of this theory suggest that the Yeti-Bigfoot hybrid is a case of convergent evolution. In a world teeming with diverse forms of life, it's not too far-fetched to imagine two different species evolving similar traits independently in order to survive the harsh conditions of the Alaskan wilderness. Then there's the theory that the Yeti-Bigfoot hybrid is a result of genetic experimentation. This theory, while a bit more on the fringe, posits that the hybrid is the outcome of clandestine genetic manipulation conducted by unknown entities. As wild as it may sound, it points to the ever-growing capabilities and ethical questions surrounding genetic engineering. The third theory, and perhaps the most beguiling, dips into the realm of the interdimensional. Some theorists propose that the Yeti-Bigfoot hybrid is not of this world at all, but rather a being that has slipped through the cracks of our reality from another dimension. This theory, while challenging to substantiate, certainly adds a layer of cosmic intrigue to the Yeti-Bigfoot conundrum. Not to be outdone, there's also the theory that ties the Yeti-Bigfoot hybrid to ancient lore and mythology. This theory suggests that this creature is a manifestation of ancient gods or spirits revered by indigenous cultures, a physical embodiment of the stories passed down through generations. And finally, there's the theory suggesting that the Yeti-Bigfoot hybrid is nothing more than a sophisticated hoax, a creation of elaborate costumes, clever camera tricks, and compelling storytelling designed to incite fear, fascination, and everything in between. These theories, while speculative, highlight the enduring fascination with the possibility of a Yeti-Bigfoot hybrid. They reflect our innate curiosity and our incessant quest to explain the unexplainable. Whether any of these theories hold the key to unveiling the truth about the Yeti-Bigfoot hybrid remains to be seen. But one thing is certain: the allure of the unknown continues to captivate our collective imagination. The question remains, does a Yeti-Bigfoot hybrid roam the northern parts of Alaska? We've journeyed through the enigmatic tales of this elusive creature, a supposed blend of the Himalayan Yeti and the American Bigfoot, said to be lurking in the frosty wilderness of Alaska. We've heard first-hand accounts from locals and adventurers alike, tales of mysterious footprints, unexplained sounds, and fleeting sightings. Each narrative, unique in its own right, has added another piece to the puzzle, stirring our curiosity and fueling the intrigue. We've also delved into the tangible evidence, or the lack thereof. From grainy photographs to inconclusive video footage, and even the so-called physical evidence like hair strands and footprints, nothing has been definitively proven yet. Scientists and skeptics argue that these could be misinterpretations of natural phenomena or even hoaxes, yet the believers stand firm, citing the sheer number of similar accounts across time and geography as a form of evidence itself. And then, we explored the theories. The scientific community mostly remains skeptical, pointing out the lack of DNA evidence or a fossil record. However, cryptozoologists who study creatures whose existence is yet to be proven have different views. Some suggest the creature could be a relic hominid, a surviving member of an ancient extinct human lineage. Others propose a more paranormal origin, suggesting the creature could be interdimensional or even extraterrestrial. The debate is ongoing, the evidence is inconclusive, and the accounts are many. The Yeti-Bigfoot hybrid of Alaska remains an enigma, a creature of folklore, or potentially an undiscovered species. Regardless of where you stand on the spectrum of belief, one fact remains undeniable. The allure of the unknown is irresistible. While the existence of the Yeti-Bigfoot hybrid remains unproven, the mystery continues to captivate us, challenging our understanding of what may lurk in the untamed wilderness of our world.